Hey everybody, it's Jason Lindsay with personalityandfitness.com, and I'm here with your Spectrum Scoop for the day. Personality as it relates to relationships. This is kind of a big one, interesting one for many people. You know, your primary orange and you're married or dating a primary yellow, or your primary green, you're dating a primary blue, or whatever mixture, between the four colors. What does that mean? And how can that affect the probability of having a healthy long-term relationship? And so, what I'll tell you is when you let's take as an example, orange and yellow, primary opposite. It doesn't matter male or female, but in this example, let's say you got a primary orange male, primary yellow female. You've got a guy who doesn't like to sit still often, likes adventure, likes to be out and about, likes to socialize, and likes can handle chaos. And over here, the yellow, you got this more structured, linear type of thinker, somebody who likes the same routine every day, who plans ahead, and is never late, and that kind of thing. And they're polar opposite. Can that work? And oftentimes, yes, the answer is it can work. But it certainly helps if you are aware of that. And most people figure it out. It's something simple as saying, well, my husband's just, he's not very organized, but I am. Okay, that's fine. But learning personalityandfitness.com and learning the spectrum will help you learn a little bit more about that. So that's why I encourage you to go take that personality assessment and get that spectrum. And another example I like to use is you get a green and a blue. You get a green, let's say a green guy and a blue gal. Well, the green guy comes home from work, and he's a man of few words often. They're not the most expressive people, and especially if they're high green. And he'll come home from work, and she'll say, "How was your day?" And he says, "Fine." And that's the answer to the question. But she wants to talk. The primary blue person wants more than that. Well, did anything happen to you in the day? Tell me about your day. And so there sometimes can be some tough things there because the blue wants more and the green doesn't want to give more. And so if they understand that, then he's got to know that some days he's got to give more than fine, and some days she's got to understand she's not going to get more than fine. So little things like that. So anyway, learn your color spectrum, learn about relationships, and stay colorful.